How's it going, everybody? It's another magical day here at the Character Warehouse as we're going to go inside and go buy some awesome stuff. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and of course, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button too. But either way, let's get inside. We're going to start out from the back of the store. We got Minnie Mouse Emerald Beanie, $7.99. I found matching mini gloves to go with the mini beanie right there for $7.99. I'm Dreamy onesie for $9.99. Little Peanut for $12.99. And I'm Perfect for $12.99. Castaway Key hat with Castaway Key all over it and on the front, $7.99. We'll put that in the bag. There are plenty of Mickey and Minnie Runaway Railway whistles. Got a bunch of them here. Nice Mickey shirt here for $7.99, $7.99, and $7.99. Kind of like a retro fanny pack right there. Check that out, $9.99. That's awesome. Walt Disney World in multiple colors, $7.99. All paws and no bite. I believe in magic. Both of these also $7.99. Star Wars diecast, $12.99. Zori, $17.99. As you can see, there's plenty of the diecast there. Plenty of Dios left for $12.99. Nice, cute little toy there. Got some the child or baby Yoda for $19.99, and then of course this other one for $24.99. Wasn't expecting to see a Halloween-based item already. $19.99. That's pretty awesome. Disney Cruise Line stuff. We got a color mat with some markers in there, and it says to wipe off with soapy water and recolor. It's really cool. We got a Cruise Line scrapbook for $20.20. Another one. And this adorable jacket right here. Might get that for my daughter. That looks amazing. $14.99. Mulan toy sets are $9.99. They got a couple there and a couple up there. Is that Kristoff? Yeah, it's Kristoff. I'm not seeing a discounted price. It says $26.99 on it. A Toy Story supply kit with pencils, pen, looks like erasers, scissors, and a kit and a binder in there for $12.99. $12.99 for this patriotic Mickey shirt here, or hoodie. Oh, look at that. There's a little hand warmer pocket right there. $4.99 for the 6-pack of pens for Pixar. Now this is cool. $7.99. You got 24 colors. That's awesome. And Pixar ball pen for $1.99. We'll throw that in the basket. $24.99 for this awesome Star Wars shirt. Unfortunately, it's only available in medium, small, and extra small. Same here with the medium for the grape soda shirt. Small for the Hey Hey one. What is that? Bing Bong here. We got Bing Bong. $19.99 for Bing Bong. I'm kind of having like a toss-up on this. Like, do I get it? Do I not get it? It's $14.99. It's Star Wars, you know. I'm still thinking about that. Plenty of extra larges here and smalls. We have the child here at $19.99. We have Bounty Hunter, $14.99. And they do have it in large. Got another tank top here for $14.99. And this really thick sweater with the Falcon on it for $19.99. So when I first walked in the store, I went straight to the Star Wars section, and this Black Spire Day shirt, which looks really cool, for $14.99. Yeah, yep, $11.99. Oh, I was wrong on that. There's one extra large left. Like, there was 12 of them when I first got here. $12.99 for the I'm the Favorite Child. Disney Outpost baseball cap. Look at that, Black Spire Outpost. $12.99. Searching through the racks, we found Cookie Num Num for $9.99. Just looks like they have small mediums for that. Morning Grumpy for $9.99. Also small and medium. Mood, medium and small, $12.99. Working on my dad bod, yeah, small. Moonlight Magic 2020. Oh, that one is, oh, there we go, $9.99. Now that's a deal. Princess earrings are just $1.99, and with necklace, $5.99. Look at these. The princess right there, and then this amazing necklace. Throw it in the bag. Gotta say, this one got me. It looked like a VHS at first, but it's not. $7.99. It's a book, but if you open it, just the first page, it's a VHS. Also, an Emperor's New Groove, $7.99. I keep saying I'm gonna start pin collecting, but I have not. Assorted pins, $6.99. You can see we have R5 here, R1, a bunch of different Black Spire outposts. We got Lando down here. Yeah, that's Lando right there. All right. We got the Alaska Cruise, and okay, here it is, the first pin. I'm getting that. That looks way too cool. $5.99. Oh no, I just bought my first pin and I already want my second one. Yep, that's the second one. I'm a big fan of Wall-E. It's one of my favorite movies, so we're gonna do that. And I just dropped it. We got Anchors, the Cruise there, limited release. We got Coco. And we got some limited edition princesses. $4.99 for these flower and garden pins right here. And then they also have a 2020 Festival of the Holidays one. $4.99. And Contemporary. That looks really cool. And Epcot. $5.99 for Gabby Gabby and Forky. You can see they have plenty of Gabby Gabbies here. Then up here we have Disney Souvenir Mickey, $12.99. Disney Flower Ears, $9.99. Mickey plushes, $14.99. Pluto and Star Wars plushes for $7.99. And we're gonna finish off the store with a Spirit jersey here for $44.99. Very nice. Another successful stop at the Character Warehouse on International Drive. It was a good time. We got a big old bag of stuff. Pretty excited about that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And we're going to Character Warehouse on Vineland next. And you guys are going to want to see that video if you want to continue on. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.